my people, welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, when you see how I made this, you will never throw away your ripe breadfruits again, yeah? So stick and stay for it. In the meantime, if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscription button below and click the bell that says all, so you won't miss out on any of my informative country life exciting videos. Yes, now today I'll be showing you how to make the bomb breadfruit punch. I'm just loving this. Yeah, now some top benefits from consuming breadfruit in your diet. Now, breadfruit helps to regulate blood pressure. It does help with the digestion problems. It stimulates the process or the working or the function of your brain. Yes, it also helps with age-related skin disorders. For the men, it promotes reproduction. Yes, so you want to top up on your breadfruit and make this class breadfruit punch. It's good for your heart. It is good for your heart. It does help to prevent cardiovascular disease, and it boosts the body's immunity, and it does help in weight loss. If you're interested in losing weight, you can include more breadfruit in your diet, yes, but for this will help to build your body, yeah? So you gotta eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy, yeah? And here we have our ripe breadfruit, and as you can see, if I squeeze it in, you see that it is very soft, so we know it is ripe. And you will just use your spoon to scoop ripe, creamy texture. You will just use your spoon to scoop the ripe, creamy texture. And then we will put it in and then we will put it in a blender. Then here we have our small green plantain. So we will also put this in the mix. Yes. One small green plant. Then you will make sure it is clean and cut it in. Then we have a small banana here. If you can't get a small banana, you can use half of a banana. Then here we have our ginger and our coconut, and what you will do is grate these together. All right, so we have our grater here, and we're going to grate them together. Now, if you choose to blend your ginger and your coconut, you should do them together. And I'm using about 4 inches of ginger in this. Then we grate our coconut. Then after we're finished grating, I will now use my warm water, 1 cup warm water, to strain the ginger and the coconut together, right? So you want to bring your water to about 40 degrees, yes, and then you will strain the ginger and the coconut, and I will use my cheesecloth to make sure that I have no ginger or coconut in the mix, to strain. So here I have my coconut ginger milk. Then we will add the coconut ginger milk to it. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to it. So I will add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. And then 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. And then we will blend until it's very smooth. And here you have it, the finished breadfruit punch. Yes, or you can call it the breadfruit smoothie. I am loving this. Why? Because this is so rich and creamy. Yes, and you would want to try this. You would want to try this at home. This is how you will get it rich, nice, thick, and creamy. The rich, thick, and creamy breadfruit smoothie, or you can call it your breadfruit punch. Yes, and you can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or for a quick run on the go. Yes, so stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative country life video. Yeah.